Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. So we'll be taking multiplication of directed numbers. So our last class we were talking about addition and subtraction of directed numbers. So for today we'll be looking at multiplication of directed numbers. So we work with rules. Remember the rule we talked about rules when we were adding and subtracting directed numbers. So we'll also be looking at rules when multiplying directed numbers. So number one, when pairs of numbers with the same signs are multiplied, when pairs of numbers with the same sign are multiplied, then the product will be positive. Then number two, when pairs of numbers with different signs are multiplied, the product will be negative. What that means is that plus times plus will give us plus, that same sign. Then permit me to jump to this place where we have minus times minus plus. So same sign multiplies. Our answer will carry positive. Same sign multiplies. We have positive answer. And when different sign multiplies, different signs multiply. Plus times minus, that will give us minus. And minus times plus, that will give us minus. Okay, let's look at examples. So this is actually a simple case. You just need to follow the rules carefully. So minus 3 times minus 4. This will be equals to, now let's look at it. What are the signs? Minus 3 carries minus and 4 carries minus. Take note, times is not a sign of a number. A number carries either positive or negative sign. So we have 3 carries minus and 4 carries minus. So that's same sign. So minus times minus, our answer will have a positive answer, and then 3 times 4, that will give us 12. So this is the same thing as saying plus 12 is the same thing as saying 12. And then number 2, solution. What do we have? 6 times 6 times minus 3. Now what sign does 6 carry? 6 carries plus. So plus times minus, that will give us minus. And then 6 times 3, that will give us 18. So our answer there will be minus 18. And then coming down here, solution, this will give us minus 3 times 5 times minus 7. So we'll take it one after the other. We'll multiply minus 3 times, of course, plus is here, minus 3 times plus 5. So minus times plus minus 3 times 5. So minus 15 times minus 7. That will give us minus times minus, that will be plus 15 times 7, that will give us 105, which is the same thing. So plus 105 is the same thing as saying 105. Okay, so that is what we have. So that brings us to the end of our example. So we have activity here. So simplify the following. You are to multiply this. Follow the rules carefully. Multiplication is very simple. Plus times plus plus, minus times minus plus. Then plus times minus 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 times plus equals to minus. Please follow the rules carefully. Thank you for watching this video. Please, I hope it was very useful. Do well to like, subscribe, and also share to others. See you in our next class.